Hello guys, hopefully you guys are doing good. So guys, today I'm going to replace this valve on my Honda CRV. If your CRV burns oil, you have to replace this valve, which is located right here. So after like 4,000 or 3,000 miles, my car is burning almost like a quarter of oil. So what I see on the internet, it says replace this. So we'll see. After replacing this, I'm gonna do today a fresh oil change, and then I will tell you guys the update later on that did it work or not. Because that's the main solution. Let's say this valve, and this is a part number if you like to get. This is my 2016 Honda CRV. It will also be the same with the 2015, because any car the Honda has a 2.4 liter, this earth dream engine will have the same valve. So I'm going to replace this, and I'm going to replace the oil, and then I will give you an update later on after a couple thousand miles that if it's fixed the issue or not. So this is the old one and this is the new one. As you can see, it does have a little bit of oil. So inside this hole it has red part, and this has, the original one has black, but well, let's see how it goes after replacing it. Hopefully it fixed the issue. That's pretty simple. Here we go. I was about to drop this 10mm bolt, and thankfully it did not, because that would have been crazy amount of time to find it. You know, it's always when the most simplest job you have to do, and then you lose one of your bolts or ratchet or whatever, and then it's become like 30-minute 40-minute job to do it. Is it even tightening? Let's see. Yeah, it does. There you go. All right, that's done. So now I will replace the oil, and then I will see you guys later. I will show you after a couple thousand miles the oil burning process, if it still burns the oil or not. So stay tuned for that. So you're gonna need a 17mm socket to open this. Actually, I checked the wrong one, I think. Yeah, 17mm to open the drain plug. That's pretty tight. Even though I'm using a bigger ratchet, but still pushing me back. There you go. So now let's see. The oil is gonna be, there you go. It's pretty hard because I just drove the car. So I'll let it drain here. Oh, that's pretty slow. Hopefully it does not. Okay, now it's fast when I release the other cap, because it was going slower inside this box. So the oil life is gonna be if you look at the draining oil amount, it's gonna be even, because I just recently filled up the whole quarter of oil because it was less. So that's why usually I replace the oil when I have like 20% life left in my dash, but this time I'm a little bit late. It's like 15% because I did not get time, and also the whole new quarter oil is in there, so it should be fine. So to measure the oil, guys, it's a little bit harder to guess the oil here, 4.4, because this engine requires 4.4 liter oil. So I'm gonna use this quarter liter bottle to measure the oil. So first I'm gonna fill this up. Four 4.4 quarter. Let's see, where is the 4.4? Okay, I'm gonna keep it tiny bit of extra since we fill up bottle 4 times and I did not wait too long to dump all it. I do have to wait for the oil to get down to the drain, and then we will measure it. And I'm gonna move my car lower. Actually, first I have to close this cap. That's that. And I have to put this further. I put the scannery stand underneath just to be safe. So let me see if I have anything else underneath. Yeah, that should be fine. So now I'm gonna lower it and I'm gonna show you. As soon as I turn on, it will show me the oil life, because see, I heard a little bit noise because the oil was not up there yet. Well, let's see. Let me just move it back. Go. So I'm gonna reset the oil life here, and that should be it. I don't know why it's not resetting. Here you go. When it's flashing, and it should reset the oil life. Here you go. So now it's 100%. So what I'm gonna do now, turn this off, and we're gonna wait like 5 minutes for the oil to get down, so I can check the dipstick. So don't worry, this is not the oil, this is water from the AC. I did not see anything dripping. I need that. And now I'm gonna check the oil with the dipstick and see how much oil do we have here. Second dot, this is where the oil should be. And when I was let me show you, when I was about to change the oil, it was 70%, no, 30% life left. The oil was right here close to the second dot, which is very the first one, the first dot. That indicates that almost it burns more than a quarter of oil. Let's see. So this shows until the first dot, and I think it should show until the second one, but let's just wait for a little bit and then we'll check again. So the oil is so clean that it's really hard to see the actual sign of oil. Let's see. Okay, so it should be between the two dots, and this is where it's showing between the two dots. Feel like it's a little bit maybe less because the road is not 100% even. It's a little bit tilted to the left side where the dipstick goes. So I'm gonna add a little bit more, not too much, just a little bit more, and then we'll see. That means it did not burn quarter of oil, but we'll see now again, double check, and after a couple thousand miles, and see if it's actually burned any oil or not, since the water is replaced too. So now we will have a better idea if it burned oil or not. So I'm going to add a little bit more. It's not a lot, but just a little bit more. On Google it says it should be between 4.4 to 4.6 liter oil, which stays in between these two dots. So yeah, it's old car, better be a little bit extra than lower. Let's see one last time. Still shows in the middle, not upper. But I think we are good here. This is enough. We don't need to add extra since we have extra oil. If later on I will check in the morning, if it's low, not in the middle of those two dots, I will add a little bit more, and we don't need to add extra right now. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, do let me know in the comments below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.